Next one is from Curtis Hilton, 2021. I can just see it coming up on the side of the building here. So 2021 this is. It's a shame we've got the cars in front of it. We can't take in all of the details down at the bottom. The fade from the light blue up to white on the top is really nice to kind of contrast into the sky. That's really nice work. So there are at least two murals up here. There is the first, which is Hazard One from 2023. Nice kind of glitchy style portrait. Like that. And the next one, I'm going to guess is on the other side, is from Jody and Pad 303, and that one is from 2021. I don't know if you can tell by my voice, but I've been walking for absolutely miles and I am shattered. We've still got a few bits left to try and see. Okay, it's not a collab, there's two separate walls here. It's got this beautiful deep pinks in this wall from Jody. So these are both from 2021. This must be south facing because that hasn't lost an inch of its life colour wise. So yeah, both from 2021. Nice geisha work from Jody. And then Pad 303 with his signature brick style work on bricks, so obviously it works. Really fantastic how he just plays with the straight lines of the bricks. He gets them all to line up with the originals and then really plays around with them. Shame there's a light or something stuck in the middle of the wall, but it doesn't take away from what you get there. So he goes into the original brick lines, spins them all around and really plays with them. I don't think there's anything else up here. I think it's just the three, but we'll have a quick look around here just in case. No, just bare walls. So we'll head back down. We haven't got an awful lot left to see, I don't think. There's a couple of bits that are a little bit further out that I might drive to once I've packed up and chucked everything in the car. But we'll see. So we'll head back down to street level, see the last few bits in the centre of town. Hello. So we're just heading out the shopping centre and then we've got a couple of bits around to the right. Nice playful work from Ejits. These are all from the same year, I think. It's Katie Scott. Really nice work. It's a shame that started to peel. The glow on that little glowworm, whatever it is, that's amazing. I would have loved to have seen that when it was fresh. So these are all from 2022, I think. Angry Dan. It's got a Worcestershire sauce and a ketchup. Got a kind of air of Stephen Powers about it. Sophie Long art. Black and white lion. I don't know how to pronounce that. Enigma. Like enigma, but without the A. Like that, lots of different things going on. You've got a bit of a beetle in the background, then something under a microscope potentially. You've got the pillar and the eye, and then the like technical symbols pointing at them. Demoise, this is. And we've got another inky up here. Try and find out what the date is on that one. Uh, 2021, this one, so I'm going to stay still and then we'll get a bit of a zoom in on that. Next one is down this way, I think. So we'll carry on recording while we walk down. We might see something else that I haven't spotted on the map. Looks like we've got a couple of bits in shop windows down there. Okay, yeah, this is what we're looking for. So we're looking for Pogo and Helen Haynes from 2022. Pogo is the blue portrait, which looks fantastic from here. It's got like a blue portrait of a woman with a snake around her neck. It's done in that kind of stencil-like style. I don't know if it is stencil work or it's just using that kind of style to build up the layers. It does look like stencil, looking up at it close. Doesn't take anything away from it, still amazing work. And then Helen Haynes, looks like penwork. Yep, all done with pen. So a lot of strokes gone into that. I don't think we've got an awful lot left to see, if anything. There is one that I need to see that's a bit further out, but once I've got the car, potentially actually we can walk down that way, go over the bridge and walk over to it. I'll have a look, and if it is, that one is, yeah, it is. It's Sky High and Rue. But there's a couple more bits down here, something from Cark. So we'll walk down and see that. It's just on the other side of the road down here. So this is just the electrical box down there. We'll walk over and catch that. All good, brother. So I don't know if Kark did the signpost here as well. I wouldn't have thought so, although similar colours, so you never know. So I'm going to turn the video off for a second, find out where the next bit is, and then we'll join back on. Next one tucked away here at the bottom of this apartment or office block. It's Phil Blake. Got a bed instalment as part of it, so that is 2022. Filth or Phil Blake. Next one, just a little bit down the road from Zurik One, and that's from 2022. See if we can find this one quickly. That's really nice, and that looks familiar. I don't know if I've seen pictures of this or it reminds me of something else. So that is Zurik One from 2022. Like the way he's gone around the brickwork with the letter shapes in there. See what's next. So we're going to go over by the Texaco there and then around the back, see those last couple of bits. I think that is pretty much the whole of all of the walls from the festivals. There we might have missed a few of the electrical boxes, but I feel like I've walked about 30 miles, so hopefully you'll forgive me for that. Let's see if we can find these last ones now. Hopefully they are on the back of the building and they're not inside, because that building's all locked up. Looks like it's office blocks anyway. Quite windy down here, hopefully you can hear me okay. So we've got, this one is Sleepy Sparrow, or Sleep Sparrow. And then I almost missed this one, Estee Angeline. It's up there on the corner. I don't know if it goes round the corner as well. Yeah, it does. Kind of like geometric style pattern work. I think that's us, done. So I'm going to head back down to the River Severn, and we're going to cross over, we're going to get that Sky High and Rue, and I think there's a few bits down there. And that'll probably be it. That's it for part 3. Thanks for watching. Don't listen to a word I said about there not being much left. There's loads left to see in part 4. Drop a comment, let me know which was your favourite piece, and give the video a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Peace.